Hey guys, it's me again, Nikki G, and I'm here for Miracles Tip. So for today guys, I'll be cooking yung favorite ko naman, lagi na lang sa kanila, fusilli carbonara. So let's go guys, let's start cooking! We'll be needing garlic, onions, quick melt cheese, butter, fusilli pasta, ham, bacon, cream of mushroom, 2 cans of evap milk, 2 boxes of all-purpose cream. For the process, heat pan and put oil. Then put our butter. We will cook our bacon first on the butter. When it's cooked, just set it aside, and we'll be needing that for the toppings later. Now, we will start to saute the garlic. Then onions, add the ham and wait until it's cooked. Now we will add the evaporated milk. You just lower the fire when you add the milk. When it's heated, you don't need to boil it. We can add the all-purpose cream in medium heat. We can now add the cream of mushroom. Now we can add salt and pepper to taste. Combine it to the fusilli pasta. The pasta is cooked according to package direction. Place the quick melt cheese on the top. And lastly, put the fried bacon. You can eat it like that, or you can bake it for 5 minutes to melt the cheese. So ayun guys, kung hindi nyo pa natatry yung recipe na yon, try nyo na in the future. Super yummy. That's my favorite. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.